Hi all, welcome to the channel, welcome to the workshop. Today we're carrying on with our Mallard build. Today we have issue 26. Not many parts that came with this one, but we are actually putting on a few parts that we've had previously. So we've got a few bits to put on, but I still don't think there's a great deal to do. So let's get into it, let's get building. Right, so now we have issue 26 of the Mallard. And as you can see, we've only got these little bits today, but we are going to be using the parts we had previously. We've got a little bit of drilling to do, it looks like, and a little bit more gluing. By the end of it, we'll have the chassis looking like that. Today we've got Britain's Railways, and we've got Great Railway Journeys. The first things we've got are these parts here, and all we're going to be doing is getting our 2.1 drill bit, and we're going to be drilling out these two holes. We do need to drill them all the way through, so it's always good to have a bit of a sacrificial material underneath. So there's one, and I'll just get the other one done. And that's the other one done, just like that. Right, so we've actually got these four parts now. Now we've got a couple of half cylinders, we've got full cylinders. Now the reason for that is we have these half cylinders if you wanted to make it a running model, or we have these full cylinders if you want to make it a static model. Now these are the ones I'm going to work on because I'm using a static model. So just got to put a 1mm hole in here. And we've got to make that about 5mm deep. That's one done. And I'm just doing the other one. And also, if you're running doing the running model, you do the exact same thing with these ones. But I'm just going to put those to one side and not worry about those. Just going to use these ones here. Next, we need to turn our attention to the chassis itself. We're going to flip it over. And we're going to be looking at this front section here. We've got a couple of indents just on the inside here, and that's where these hangers are going to go. Now you'll see that there's a flat side and a detailed side, and obviously it's the detailed side that we want facing out, so that's just going to sit in there like so. We're going to do the same on the other side, so just going to get a little bit of glue for that one. I'm just going to apply it directly. That's one in, and I'm just going to do the other one, and then that one's in there like so. Next, we're going to need the parts we had previously. So these are one from issue 17. We've got part from issue 19, and we've got these two parts from issue 21. So this one from issue 19 is going to go just in there, and 21 is going to go on the other side. And the second one just going in like so. Hold that for a second while the glue sets. Like that. And the next thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be placing these over the top of there, like we did before. Now it's a slightly tight fit over that little bearing. So I'm just going to use a file just to open this up a little bit. And as you can see, now they slot over really nicely. And that's where we're going to be putting those. So I'm just going to place a little bit of glue just there. And hopefully just slide that one in place like so. We're going to do the exact same thing on this side here. Just like that. And the last thing we're going to be doing is putting these brake cylinders in. Now, as I said before, we are using these full-sized ones because this will be a static model. And they are just going to go just there. Like so. So just going to put some glue on that and put them in place. I'm just going to put some glue all over this plate. And this will locate in those holes that you can see there. Put that one in there. And that one in there. If you were doing the running model, then these would sit just like so. I think it's to allow for the bogie to maneuver around. But that is all there is to do in that stage. So we've added quite a bit of detail to the bottom there. Thank you very much for watching. I do hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please remember to give a big thumbs up. So, not a great deal to do today, but we are another step forward with the Mallard. If you want to see how it progresses or anything else that goes on in the workshop, please do remember to hit the subscribe button and ding that bell, and then you'll be notified when I release a new video. Until the next time, I'll see you around. Cheers!